ओम शांति मैम, नमस्ते। How are you?
Good. How are you?
I am also good. Fire was sent on Saturday.
On Saturday.
Nobody in this class on Saturday.
Oh, we had Kunjal. So we had silent meditation all day.
Okay.
Yeah, Dawah said he was gonna let you know, but I guess he forgot.
Okay. Okay. Where is other students? Only 3 are there. Are you in Bali Yoga School?
Yes.
Yes. So sit in any comfortable position for starting the class. Adopt Gyanarchan Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om followed by opening mantra. Om. Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena Chetasya
Yogena Chinta. Yeah.
Padena Vacham
Adedanacha.
Malam Sarirasya
Malam Sariyasa.
Chavadyakena
Shabe Sukena.
Yopakarotam
Yopakarotam.
Pravaram Muninam
Araram Mohina.
Patanjalim
Patanjali.
Pranjaliranatosmi
Santosi.
Om. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti. So, our today's topic is bone. Structure of bone.
The structure of Om?
Bone. B-O-N-E. Bone.
Oh, bone.
Write down structure of bone. Bone have a hard and non-pliable ground. Non-pliable ground. Bone have a hard HARD and non-pliable NON non-PLIABLE non-pliable ground substance. Non-pliable ground substance rich in calcium salts. Rich in calcium salt. And collagen fibers. Rich in calcium salts and collagen fibers. It is hardest tissue. It is hardest tissue in the body. It is the hardest tissue in the body. It is the main tissue. It is the main tissue that provides structural frame to the body. It is the main tissue that provides structural frame to the body. Bones supports, write down, bones supports and protect softer tissues and organs. Bones supports and protect softer tissues and organs. Long bones of the legs, long bones of the legs serve weight-bearing functions. Serve weight-bearing functions. They also interact with, interact with skeletal muscles, MUSCLES, muscles attached to them to bring about movements,
Said they also interact with skeletal muscles.
They also interact with skeletal muscles attached to them to bring about movements. Means they provide movement. The bone marrow in some bones, the bone marrow in some bones is the site of production of blood cells. The bone marrow, BONEMARROW, marrow, in some bones is the site of production of blood cells. Bone is calcium depot of the body. Bone is the calcium depot of the body. And now write down the structure of long bone. The structure of a long bone. The properties of structure of a long bone. First one is diaphysis. DIA PHYSIS. Diaphysis. Second is epiphysis. EPIPHYSES. Epiphysis. EPIPHYSES. Epiphysis. Okay. The third is metaphysis. METAPHYSES. Metaphysis. The fourth is articulating cartilage या articular cartilage. ARTICULAR. Articular cartilage. CARTILAGE. Articular cartilage. Fifth is periosteum. 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 Sixth is medullary cavity. MEDULLARY. Medullary cavity. And the last one is seventh is endosteum. ENDOSTEUM. Write down the first properties. Diaphysis. Diaphysis. What is diaphysis? Diaphysis is the bone's shaft. Diaphysis is the bone's shaft. SHAFT. Diaphysis is the bone's shaft or body. Is this visible? Is this diagram visible? This is the structure of a long bone, like femur, our thigh bone. So middle part, here to here. Here is cut section, not separate bone. This is the cut part of bone. This is middle, this showing middle inner portion, and this is rounded shape portion. Okay. So the up to here means middle portion of bone, long portion of bone is known as bone body or shaft. Look here. This is our femur bone. This is our femur bone. So here, from this portion to the distal, this portion here to here, this portion is known as shaft or main body of the bone. Okay, understood? The long cylindrical main portion of the bone is known as diaphysis. Second one is epiphysis. 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 Epiphyses are the proximal and distal end of the bone. Proximal and distal, DISTAL, distal ends of the bone. Epiphyses are the proximal and distal ends of the bone. Look here. The proximal means upper end and the distal lower end of the bone is known as epiphysis. In this structure, look, this upper portion, the upper portion of bone, this portion, and the lower portion, this portion, is known as epiphysis, proximal and distal end of bone. Clear? Third one is metaphysis. METAPHYSIS, metaphysis. What is metaphysis? These are the region between the diaphysis and epiphysis. These are the region between the diaphysis and epiphysis. Diaphysis, look here. Main shaft or main body of bone is diaphysis. Upper and lower end means proximal and distal end of bone is epiphysis. And the joint part means the region where epiphysis, diaphysis meets are known as metaphyses. Okay. Write down, in a growing bone, Growing, growing bone, each metaphysis contains an epiphyseal growth plate. In a growing bone, each metaphysis contains an epiphyseal growth plate.
How do you spell epiphyseal
Yeah,
growth?
Epiphyseal, epiphyseal growth, growth, growth plate, plate. In a growing bone, growing bone, each metaphysis contains, look here, each metaphysis contains an epiphyseal growth plate. Here is a line. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Yes. So here is epiphyseal plate in early age. It is a layer of hyaline cartilage. It is, write down, it is a layer, L-A-Y-E-R, layer of H-Y-A-L-I-N-E, hyaline cartilage, C-A-R-T-I-L-A-G-E. It is a layer of hyaline cartilage that allows the diaphysis. It is a layer of hyaline cartilage that allows the diaphysis, means middle portion of bone, long portion of bone. It allows the diaphysis of the bone to grow in length, When a bone ceases, C-E-A-S-E-S, when a bone ceases to grow in length, when a bone ceases, C-E-A-S-E-S, to grow, G-R-O-W, grow in length, L-E-N-G-T-H, at about age 18 to 21, at about age 18 to 21, the cartilage in the epiphyseal plate, the cartilage, C-A-R-T-I-L-A-G-E, cartilage in the epiphyseal plate, EPI, PHYSEAL, epiphyseal plate is replaced by bone, REPLACED, replaced by bone. The resulting bone structure is known as epiphyseal line. The resulting bone structure is known as epiphyseal line. epiphyseal epiphyseal line. Understood? When a bone ceases to grow in the length at about age 18 to 21, means near the age of 18 to 21, bones growth going to cease. It will not grow after 18 to 21 years. In someone it ceased at the age of 18, and in someone it ceased at the age of 21. Okay, means between 18 to 21. That time the cartilage, that hyaline cartilage which is present between epiphysis and diaphysis, which provide growth to diaphysis, converts into epiphyseal line, and that time bone growth stopped. Bone growth going to stop at the age of 18 to 21, and that line is known as epiphyseal line. This line, look here, this line, is it visible?
Yes.
This line is known as epiphyseal line. The fourth point is articular cartilage. Articular cartilage. articular, articular cartilage. cartilage, articular cartilage. It is a thin layer. It is a thin layer of hyaline cartilage. It is a thin layer of hyaline cartilage. Hyaline. 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 Hyaline cartilage. cartilage. It is a thin layer of hyaline cartilage covering the part of the epiphyseal plate or epiphysis, covering the part of epiphysis where the bone forms FORMs and articulation are joined, where the bone forms and articulation are joined with another bone, Clear? It is a thin layer of hyaline cartilage. Look here, and it found at the end portion, is proximal end and distal end of bone. It found at the proximal and distal end of big bones. Articular cartilage. That is a thin layer of hyaline cartilage covering the part of the epiphysis. Epiphysis means the proximal and distal end of bone is epiphysis. Clear? It covers the epiphysis where the bone forms an articulation, means where the bone makes joint with another bone. Articular cartilage reduces Write down articular cartilage, articular, articular cartilage, cartilage, cartilage reduces friction and reduces friction, friction, friction and absorbs, absorbs, absorbs shock, shock and absorbs shock at freely movable joints, at freely movable joints. Clear? Articular cartilage reduces friction and absorbs shock at freely movable joints. Next point is periosteum. Periosteum, 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 periosteum. It surrounds the external bone. It surrounds the external bone surface. Means it is the outer layer or outer covering of a bone. The periosteum is outer covering, yeah, outer layer, outer coating of bone is periosteum. It surrounds the external bone surface. It is composed of an outer fibrous layer, an outer fibrous layer, fibrous, fibrous layer, layer of dense irregular connective tissue. It is composed of an outer fibrous layer of dense irregular connective tissue, dense, D-E-N-S-E, dense irregular, IRREGULAR, irregular connective tissue, CONNECTIVE, and an inner osteogenic layer, and an inner osteogenic layer, OSTEOGENIC, OSTEOGENIC, osteogenic layer that consists of cells, means periosteum consists of cells. Periosteum is a dense irregular connective tissue and an inner osteogenic layer that consists of cells. Some of the cells of the periosteum, some of the cells of periosteum enable bone to grow in thickness, enable bone to grow in thickness, but not in length, It also protects the bone. It also protects the bone. It is attached to the, it is attached to the underlying bone, these are thick bundles, these are thick bundles, THICK, thick bundles, BUNDLES, bundles of collagen fiber, COLLAGEN, collagen fibers, FIBERS. Clear? These are thick bundles of collagen fibers. Mainly it is outer covering of bone, periosteum. Next is medullary cavity. Next point, medullary cavity, MEDULLARY, medullary cavity. MEDULLARY, medullary cavity, CAVITY. The medullary cavity or marrow cavity. The medullary cavity, MEDULLARY, medullary cavity, CAVITY, or marrow cavity, MARROW. Marrow cavity is a hollow cylindrical shape, is a hollow, HOLLOW, hollow cylindrical, SYLINDRICAL, hollow cylindrical, say hollow cylindrical space, not shape, hollow cylindrical space within the diaphysis. It is a hollow cylindrical space within the diaphysis that contains CONTAINS, contains fatty yellow bone marrow in adults. That contains fatty yellow bone marrow in adults. Means in marrow cavity there is fatty yellow bone marrow present in adults. And the last one is endosteum, ENDOSTEUM, endosteum. It is opposite to periosteum. Periosteum was outer covering of bone, endosteum is inner covering of bone. It is a thin membrane. Write down. It is a thin membrane that lines the internal bone surface. That lines, LINES, lines the internal bone surface facing the medullary cavity. It is a thin membrane that lines the internal bone surface facing the medullary cavity. It contains a single layer of cells, and a small amount of connective tissue, Clear?
Yes.
So this was all about structure of a long bone. That is consist of diaphysis, epiphysis, metaphysis, articular cartilage, periosteum, medullary cavity, and endosteum. Any question? No question?
No.
Okay, so sit in any comfortable position for closing the class. Spine straight, eyes closed. Inhale deeply for 1 time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. Purnamadam,
Namadam.
Purnamidam,
Purnamidam.
Purnat Purnamudachyate,
Purnamadachyate.
Purnasya
Purnasya.
Purnamadaya,
Purnamadaya.
Purnam eva
Purnam eva.
Vasishyate.
Paschate.
Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply on your eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for attending the class. We will
Thank
meet
you.
again tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.